My name is Matt Grimes. I've been an attorney since 2013. I've been in private practice since 2015, with about 2 years in between working as a corporation counsel for a municipality. I practice out of my home office in Brookfield, Connecticut, although I will be having an office in the Hartford area very soon. But I practice throughout the entire state of Connecticut, and most of my practice is focused on estate planning, writing wills, trusts, and other related documents, as well as probating estates. Although I have a smattering of other areas, I would say that represents about 80% of my work, and I basically have been driving around all over Connecticut doing estate plan for folks. I knew that it was something I always wanted to do. I always took an interest in reading legal documents. I always took an interest in the versatility of being a lawyer, that you didn't have to necessarily be in a courtroom or anything like that. But I wanted to do it when I knew I was ready. And that moment came for me probably around 2005, 2006. I was working as chief of staff to a mayor and had an opportunity to return to the insurance business, which I had worked in right out of college. And working in the field, I would be getting the opportunity after 2 years to have my tuition reimbursed. And I knew that I could excel in that field if I was an attorney much better than I could if I was not. So it sort of all kind of came together for me. And then when I was actually admitted to the bar, and I was admitted to 3 bars out of the gate, I was a little bit of an overachiever after law school. I should have been in law school. When I was with the insurance company, I gave them 2 years after I was admitted, and then I went out on my own solo practice. I think understanding the different options available to them as far as planning for the future, as well as also dealing with their issues as they age and become senior citizens, or as they become parents, or as they accumulate wealth, what they want to do with it. I think understanding them and understanding what's available to them, I think that that's what I do best. And I explain to them the different options, and I try to focus on their needs and their desires, and try to also at the same time really give them a flavor that somebody's working for them and giving them what they want within the boundaries of the law, and creating a product that they can be satisfied with when their time is up, for lack of a better term. I think the biggest thing is, it's no secret that I like to get to know people. I like to get to know about them. I like to get to know where they've been. That's where I bring what I call the Fred Rogers mentality to my profession, in that I really try to understand who they are, where they've been, where they want to go, and I try to make sure that they know who they're dealing with, and they're not just dealing with a face in a suit and tie that's coming to meet with them looking to make money. I think that that's what I bring to it. I also bring a wide network of having worked throughout the state in town government and in different capacities of public service, because it's led me to see the whole state of Connecticut. And also the fact that I'm willing to be very flexible during COVID, and more so since, as we've sort of shifted out of that shutdown phase. I find a lot of my success as an attorney with my clients is being able to make house calls, being able to meet with a couple in their home on a Sunday afternoon, or a widower in their living room, as opposed to them coming to a law office, which can be a very intimidating place when you're in this line of law for some people. Nobody tries to make it that way, but it can be a very intimidating place. So I find that being able to go meet with them in their homes makes them a lot more comfortable with the task in front of them, and makes me a lot more able to be opened up to as their attorney.